Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make these rustic can holders. Let's get started. So for this I've taken an olive can. It's just a normal metal can. Make sure to wash it out very well before using it. I've also just went out for a walk and grabbed these twigs that I found lying around, and I've cut them to different lengths and sizes. Be sure to wash these very well before bringing them in. Another option would be to buy them off of Amazon if you would like. And then I also just have my hot glue gun here that's already heating up. You can also use other glues, which I will show you later in the video. So here I've just taken a piece of the wood, and this one is a little bit longer than the actual can. You can do that as well. And as you can tell, this one is not that much longer than the can. I would recommend having them stand taller than the can because that adds to the rustic effect, but that is up to you. So now all I'm taking is my hot glue gun, and I'm just drawing a line straight down, and I'm going to glue down my twig that I have here and hold it down for a few seconds just to let it dry completely. So now that that is dried, I'm taking another twig and I'm just going to add some more glue right next to that twig that we already glued down and glue that one down. Here, one thing to make sure of is to make sure that you get it as close as you can to the other twig. It's okay if there's a little bit of a gap because you can fill it with other twigs, but try to get it as close as you possibly can and make sure that it reaches all the way at the bottom. So I'm going to do the rest of the can as shown here. Also, I'd recommend putting different lengths next to each other because that adds to the effect as well. So here I have just finished gluing all around the can, and as you can tell, the bottom is pretty leveled off here. So now some of these are a little bit longer than I thought they would be, so I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and very carefully cut them off. Here I've taken some burlap string, this is the next step, and I'm going to tie a very cute bow around the can. This is optional, you can use any sort of rustic thread you may have for this. I think it adds a very nice touch to the final product, so I'm going to wrap this around the can 3 times. And keep them kind of close together so it's concentrated towards the middle of the can, and then I'm going to tie a very nice bow right in the center. So this can be a little hard because you should keep all 3 strings together on either side, but once you get it, it will make it much easier. It just takes some practice. So now I'm just going to This is the other can that I'm going to wrap as well. So this one I actually made with Elmer's glue, which is a washable glue here in the United States. You can also use Fevicol and other brands. So here they are. So this is what they both look like. I think they both look very cute and elegant. This one I actually used a smaller can, that was a tomato paste can versus the olive can that I used for the other one. I think they look very nice and elegant, and they will add to any place that you may have. So here are my Pinterest, Instagram accounts, and they're also in the description. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and watch these videos. Bye!